All right, this one's another problem with fractions. My denominators are 5, another 5, and a 3. And the magic number to get rid of all of those is 15. 5 will go into 15 3 times. 3 will go into 15 5 times. So I'm going to multiply 15 times all 3 terms. Now this first term is ugly. It's a 2x plus 7 over a 5. And then I'll need a 15 times, whoops, gotta watch my colors, times the 3/5, and then a 15 times the negative 2x over 3. There we go. All right, so on the first one, the 5 cancels into the 15 3 times. But then you must multiply the 3 times. You still have this numerator of 2x plus 7, so you have to distribute that. So 3 times 2x would be a 6x, and 3 times the 7 is a 21. Then on this next one, this 5 goes into this 15 3 times, but the only numerator is just a 3, so 3 times 3 makes that 9. And then on this end one, 3 goes into 15 5 times, and then take 5 times the negative 2x, and that's a negative 10x. Now, on the left side of the equation, the 21 and the 9, those are like terms. They don't have an x with them, so you can't combine them with the 6x. But the 21 and the 9 would add up to a 30. And now, I've got x's on both sides of the equation, but I don't have non-x's on both sides of the equation. The 30 is a non-x. So since the right side just has x's, to me it makes sense to get rid of the x's on the left, so that the left side is my non-x side and the right side has all my x's. And of course those cancel. So on the left you're just going to be left with that 30. And then on the right, this right here, negative 10x minus 6x, that's negative 16x altogether. And follow me, I'm coming, running out of room. So at this point, I just want x. So since it's negative 16x, you're going to divide off the negative 16. Anything over itself would just be a 1. Of course, that 1 would be an invisible 1. And of course, what you do to one side, I got to do to the other. So I got to divide the 30 times a negative 16, and 30 doesn't go into, or 16 doesn't go into 30 evenly. So I'm just going to reduce my fraction. You're just going to leave it as a 30 over, or a negative 30 sixteenths. And those are both even numbers, so I can divide by 2. So that would be negative 15 over 8. And that is as low as I can go. And that's my answer. And I'm done showing you checks, so hopefully you'll, check it yourself. You got a calculator. Just remember, you would have to go back into the original problem and put this negative 15/8 where this x is and this one, and then check to see if all of this works out to be the same as all of this. And that's how you can check your answer.